We all know how expensive fuel prices are, but some people unknowingly make their cars guzzle fuel like there's no tomorrow. If you've ever wondered, why does my tank empty so quickly? You might be making some mistakes without realizing it. Today, I'll tell you about 10 foolish things that waste your fuel without you even noticing. Watch until the end because I'll share a fantastic tip in the final point. 1. Rapid acceleration and sudden braking. Look, buddy, pressing the gas pedal makes your car move forward, sure, but it's not just about moving, it's about moving efficiently. If you're constantly stepping hard on the gas and then slamming on the brakes, you're forcing the engine to work unnecessarily. This burns up your fuel like crazy. If you drive more smoothly, your fuel can last up to 20% longer. Plus, your brake pads will last longer, reducing maintenance costs. Sudden accelerations also cause your tires to wear out faster, which can be costly in the long run. A smoother, more controlled driving style saves both fuel and maintenance expenses. 2. Letting your car idle for too long. If you leave your engine running to warm up in winter or while waiting for someone, you're burning fuel for no reason. Modern cars are ready to go within seconds. People who say, "Let me warm up my car for 10 minutes," are just wasting fuel. Don't burn your money. Start the car and drive. Additionally, prolonged idling can cause carbon buildup, reducing engine performance. If you want to save fuel in the long run, minimize idling time. This way, you protect both your wallet and the environment. 3. Driving with incorrect tire pressure. If your tires have low pressure, your engine has to work harder to move the car. A car with low tire pressure is like dragging a rock on the road. Check your tire pressure once a month, and you'll use less fuel while extending your tire's lifespan. Low pressure tires create more friction, forcing the engine to put in extra effort. Also, uneven wear can cause you to replace your tires much sooner than necessary. Proper tire pressure improves road grip and enhances driving safety. Carrying too much weight. If your trunk is full of unnecessary items, your car needs extra power to move. Every extra pound means more fuel consumption. If you have a massive suitcase, heavy tools, or unused items in your car, get rid of them. A lighter car equals less fuel consumption. Smaller engine cars are especially affected by excessive weight. Reducing unnecessary load in your trunk not only saves fuel, but also extends the lifespan of your brake pads and suspension system. Roof racks and cargo carriers also disrupt aerodynamics, leading to higher fuel consumption. Incorrect gear usage. If you're driving a manual car and using a high gear at low speeds or a low gear at high speeds, your engine is wasting fuel. Proper gear usage is one of the key secrets to fuel efficiency. Keeping your engine in its optimal RPM range reduces fuel consumption and prolongs your car's lifespan. For instance, driving in too low a gear puts excessive strain on the engine and increases fuel usage. If you're driving an automatic car, use ECO mode or other fuel-saving driving modes when available. 6. Overusing the air conditioner or driving with windows down. If you blast the AC in city traffic, your car burns more fuel. But if you drive at high speeds with the windows down, you disrupt aerodynamics and use more fuel. The best strategy? Use the windows at low speeds and the AC on highways. Also, if your AC filter is clogged, the system will work harder and consume more energy. Regular AC maintenance improves fuel efficiency and ensures cleaner air inside the car. Parking in the shade during hot weather can also help reduce AC use, indirectly saving fuel. 7. Using low-quality fuel. Some people say, "As long as it's cheap, I'll take it," and buy low-quality fuel, but over time, your engine clogs up, performance drops, and fuel consumption increases. Investing in high-quality fuel saves you money in the long run. Low-quality fuel can clog injectors, preventing efficient engine operation. Also, using the recommended octane level for your car is crucial. Following your car's manual for the right fuel type ensures a longer-lasting engine. 8. Neglecting engine maintenance. If you don't get regular maintenance, your air filter clogs, spark plugs wear out, and the engine doesn't run efficiently. This means more fuel consumption. Keeping up with maintenance not only extends your car's lifespan, but also helps you save fuel. A clogged air filter makes your engine burn more fuel and reduces performance. Not changing your engine oil on time also increases friction, raising fuel consumption. Regular maintenance protects both your wallet and your engine. 9. Using the wrong engine oil. If you use an oil that's too thick for your car, your engine will struggle more and fuel consumption will increase. Using the correct oil specified in the car manual ensures engine efficiency and fuel savings. The wrong engine oil creates extra resistance inside the engine, causing unnecessary fuel usage. Especially in cold weather, using the right viscosity oil helps your engine run more efficiently. Keeping up with oil changes boosts both engine health and fuel efficiency. 10. Constantly driving short distances. If you use your car even for short trips like going to the store, Your engine never fully warms up and ends up using more fuel. Walking short distances is not only healthier but also saves fuel. When the engine isn't warmed up properly, fuel consumption is significantly higher than normal. Also, frequent short trips can damage engine oil over time. Walking or using a bike can be great alternatives. So, if you want to make your fuel last longer and save money, start by avoiding these 10 common mistakes. Small changes in driving habits can lead to big savings over time. Drive smart, save fuel, and keep more money in your pocket. See you in the next video.